This is a quick tutorial on how to install Universal G-Code Sender on Linux. So to get started, head over to universalgcodesender.com, go to download, choose the Linux package, and once it's downloaded, go to the downloads folder, right-click the file, choose extract, and the extracted folder, head into it all the way down to the bin folder. Here you will find a start script. Right click it, choose run as a program. And as you can see, it will also start a black terminal in the background. This is maybe not what you want, so click the Tools menu and choose Create Shortcut. This will register the application to the operating system. So if we close everything and go to the Activities menu and type Universal G-Code Sender. And from here you can start it as any other software. So that's it. Thank you for watching.